Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect your website. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have on the Wix website editor. So for this, let's head over and just click on this pages and menu right here. Once you have clicked on that, you can see all the menu or the pages you have. So for example, this is your home page. Just click on the three dots right here. Then from there, click on this SEO basic. So in here, you can see your SEO basics. Just click on this permissions right here, just beside the SEO basics. And then from in there, you can see this, who can view this page. So from everyone, let's change it to password holders. It can also be members only if they have a subscription to your website. So for this, let's just put in a page password. So for me, I'll just put in 1234. And then once I have done that, I will be able to actually just put that specific page password on this specific page. As you can see, there's a key icon right now. If you want to put this as well on another page, just click on the three dots as well. Then from in there, click on SEO Basics. And then once you have done that, head over in here to permission as well, and then click on password holder, and then just do whatever you have done earlier. Now, once you have done that, it will actually password protect your site. Then you can publish that site right here. Once you have published your site, just go back to wix.com right here, which is your dashboard. Now, from in here, what we can do is we can actually just head over and click on this marketing and SEO. And then from in there, just click on SEO right here. So click on SEO. And then once it's finished loading, we just need to scroll down a little bit until we find this SEO setting. So click on this go to SEO settings. And then once we have done that, we can see in here this right here. So you can see this let search engine index your site. So this feature, once turned on, is it will let search engine be able to detect you. So for this one, I have turned this off because I password protect my website. So once you're done with everything, once you have access in here, your site, let's click on view site right here. And then this is our website. So in here, you just need to enter the password in order to open that. So let's put in here a password. And once you have done entering a password, just click on go right here. And we should be able to access the website that we have created. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to password protect your website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!